Greetings everyone, back again, off on our travels, this time east. I don't think I mentioned last time for the Bakewell and Matlock video, that was 2 hours south of us. Skipton is an hour to the east, but neither of us had ever been there before, so we're passing through some lovely countryside on our way. Couldn't fit many prisoners in here.
Just £2.
Yeah. Ooh, look in there. Look at that crown. Skipton Castle Cannon. Look at this quilt, though. Gosh, that's amazing.
Hauntings of Yorkshire.
Really? Look at all these little figures. Oh, there's a three-headed dog.
These notebooks.
Oh, gorgeous. Oh, genius.
Oh, just don't want one of everything.
What a great shop. Oh, look at this bag. Expecto Patronum. Wow. Oh, Ravenclaw's diadem, baby. Greetings, everybody. That was Skipton. What do you think? What a gorgeous town. It's in North Yorkshire, in the north of England, which is where I'm from. And I'm from Whitby, which is a bit further over to the east on the coast. But it's the first time I've ever been to Skipton. And what a wonderful visit that was. A beautiful place, beautiful day. The weather wasn't great, but it wasn't awful either. The rain kept off. So my haul, we did buy a few things in the castle gift shop, as you might imagine. First of all, this journal, which, I mean, look at it. Who wouldn't? It's got lapis lazuli, and it's beautifully bound. It was quite expensive for a notebook. It was £24, but worth every penny. Okay, and then next I bought the world's smallest enamel pin. It is tiny. So it's of the courtyard. On the video, I was obsessing with the courtyard in the castle. It looked like a Fable from the video game Fable or from Hogwarts. It was just gorgeous. And yeah, in real life, can you imagine having something like that? Even Paul said, I never wanted to live in a castle, but now I think I've changed my mind. And it really was amazing. So I got a little tiny, tiny pin just to remind me of that place. Next, in the gift shop, I came away with that umbrella. I mean, you know, I'm not going to open it now, but the one with the Siamese and the potions. I mean, who couldn't resist it? It was too much for me to bear. And then finally, I came away with a print. They had several. As soon as you went into the gift shop, there was a wall of them. And again, this is of the courtyard in the castle. So yeah, that was that. All right, moving on. Okay, you might be wondering why on earth I showed a picture of Coupland's Bakery. It's not a particularly beautiful building, but let me tell you, they are the nearest Couplands to where we live now, which is over on the west side of the Pennines, the wrong side, in Lancashire. So don't come for me. And we don't have Couplands, and they make the best cheese straws in the universe, and I'll fight anybody. I mean, I'm willing to try others, obviously, but oh my God, they are the most delicious snack. Okay, so just general shopping as we were browsing around. The shop that had the Viking horns, which I know a lot of my Skyrim people will be going nuts over. I actually found this beautiful little geode. It's only small, but I just loved it. I thought it was perfect. So that's going on one of the shelves somewhere. And in the art shop where they had the funny art, you know, in event of emergency, leg it, that kind of thing. It was a great shop, actually. I really liked it. I think it was called Lighthouse something. We got a print there of Skipton, and I really love that kind of Art Deco holiday travel type of artwork. We've got one for Whitby, we've got one for Harrogate, and now we have one for Skipton. I'll show it to you. So it's really hard to not get my whole screen reflected. Oh my God. There we go. It's really hard not to get my whole screen reflected on the glass of this, but you can see it, the type of style that it is. And oh, they do some wonderful ones. They've got all sorts of different towns, and yeah, we thought as a memento of the day, it's a beautiful thing. So we'll add that to our collection. And so finally, onto the magical items. So magical item wise, we came away with quite a few things. As you might have expected, that shop was so great. I mean, through the Dumbledore, are you kidding me? I was like, oh, a child in a sweet shop when I went in there. I couldn't look at everything fast enough. So yeah, we didn't get that much, but what we did get, I think, was pretty cool. So let me show you these. All right then, first of all, I got a candle called Herbology Greenhouse, and it smells amazing. So that will be, I mean, it's not often that we agree on scents in this house, but this one we both thought was just gorgeous. So yeah, that one will be used. And then, because I am a proud Ravenclaw, and I've only got one Ravenclaw t-shirt, so now I have two. There we are. It's kind of blokey. I think it's for a man, but it's quite long on me. I seem to have quite a short body apparently. I'm finding t-shirts are always really long and come down kind of past my hips, so I might need to take it up. But yeah, I just thought that was absolutely lovely and a bargain at £15. And then just two more items to go: leaky cauldron, glass, and coaster, which I've had my eye on for a while, so I'm happy to have that. Something to drink my butterbeer out of. And naturally, they had all of the Harry Potter magical drinks there, so I did pick up another butterbeer whilst I was at it. And then finally, the pièce de résistance. It wasn't the diadem. The diadem is it's on my list, but it's kind of outside of my budget at the moment. But one day, but no, I got a new bag. Obviously, and not the Expecto Patronum one either. I got a Ravenclaw bag, and look how gorgeous is that. So it's by Danielle Nicole. It's a pity that it's silver instead of bronze, but you know, I mean, wow. So yeah, that was my haul, and that was the day out in Skipton. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Do let me know, what did you think of Skipton and the castle, and I will see you soon for the next one. Take care and stay safe, everybody.